Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable picture-in-picture mode on iPhone. So if you want to enable picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone so that you can watch YouTube videos or WhatsApp videos at the bottom right, or move the video across your phone screen, or be able to move the video across your phone screen, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, go ahead and click on General. Then under General, scroll down, locate picture-in-picture, and then click on that. Then if picture-in-picture is disabled, where you see Start PIP automatically, if this is disabled, then you need to go ahead and enable this. Then you should see when you swipe up on the home screen or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture-in-picture. So whenever you have video on your FaceTime or other application and you swipe up on it, then the video will continue in picture-in-picture mode. So that's exactly how to turn on picture-in-picture mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.